Hi, joining DPA online is quick and easy, and we've prepared a short video to help guide you through the process. A few things will help you get started with a little bit of prep work. If you have a CV, resume, or supporting documents, you may want to gather them and put them on a desktop. You also might want to give some thought to 3 DPA members who could sponsor you, but don't worry, we have a sponsor finding module online. And you'll need to be able to log into your AAPG member site and have a credit card handy. Requirements to join DPA is to be a full member of AAPG with 8 years of industry experience. However, if you have a master's or PhD, you can get advanced credit for advanced degrees. In many cases, young professionals with a degree and 30 years of age will qualify for DPA membership. And we're pleased to announce that we have reciprocal agreements with wonderful organizations like CIPES and the Geological Society of London and AAPG. The simple steps to joining are to go to the AAPG webpage, to path to the DPA webpage, and then to enter information online, upload your supporting documentation, pay dues, submit, and you are applied for DPA. On the AAPG webpage at aapg.org, if you go to the Division tab and find the Division of Professional Affairs and click on it, you can find the How to Join New Online Application tab, and if you click on that, it'll take you to an information-filled page including Learn How to Join Now. If you click that, you can check your member update and your member profile, and if you click on the new applications on the gold bar on the upper part of the site, it will give you a menu of various applications that you can apply for. There are DPA Certified Petroleum Geophysicist, there is DPA Certified Coal Geologist, and the one that I think most people will apply for is Certified Petroleum Geologist, and that's the one that I've already pre-filled out. So I'm filling out this continuing application. And if you have reciprocal agreements with CIPES and GSL, the forms for those specific cases are also here to be selected. But let's proceed with the member application for a geologist. You can read about the eligibility requirements. You continue with the application by clicking the upper right tab. We encourage all members to review the AAPG Code of Ethics with the web link here at the base. And as you review your member details, you can make sure that they're all current. You can add your work history and also professional and scientific organizations and offices held. And you can, by hitting the word Add, you can continue to build your documentation, and if you hit the pencil, you can edit it, and if you need to delete anything, there is a red X on the side. When we get to the member Ed Sponsor module, you can see where the 3 words test are. You would fill in your sponsor name, last name, and first name, and if you need to find sponsors, you go to the View AAPG DPA member directory by clicking the tab right there. It'll bring up a module, and if you know, if you fill in a country or city, for example, it will search geographically here. I've put in Australia, and we found 19 DPA members in Australia. And if you know any of these folks, if you happen to be applying from Australia, this will help give you some guidance. You can also put in the cities, for example, Houston, Dallas, Denver, Calgary, Singapore, London, whatever city, and you'll find many DPA colleagues. You can also search by company. For example, I put in BP, and there are 14 DPA members who belong to BP. Finally, after you review the declaration by the applicant, you come to the part where you can upload supporting document. You path on your desktop and you browse to find the document, upload it, and you can select, remove it by clicking, and then finally, once you have filled in all your information and you're ready to submit, when you click the submit button, if all the information is full and complete, you're ready to advance to the next step, which is the payment. And if there are any fields that are lacking or need attention, they will have a red asterisk. So let's continue as if we're going to do this all in one sitting. You could also save your work and come back at a later date. Let's proceed as if we're going to fill this out all in one sitting. You then go to the make the payment, and under the secure site, you're able to go ahead and pay your dues. What to expect? DPA applications typically take a few weeks. Once you submit, your sponsors will be notified by headquarters to submit their sponsor documentation. You can expedite the process if you encourage your sponsors to promptly return their forms to Norma Newby at headquarters. The DPA Board of Certification takes several weeks to review the application. If you have any questions, you can contact Norma Newby at nnewby@aapg.org. I want to welcome you to a great organization. I think that you've taken a very important step in your professional career by applying for membership in DPA. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm Charles Sternbach. I'm the president of DPA, and I welcome you to the wonderful world of professional affairs, which is focused on empowering geologists to discover energy and excel in business. And you will be joining 3,000 members, and I hope this is something that will be a great gift to you.